See this app over here? Well, it will pay you $5 a day for simply unlocking your phone. Isn't that something that you do every day anyway? I know I do. If you want to monetize a daily task without any tricks, no special skills or active work required, then this is the video for you, because I'm not just going to be showing you one, but two apps, so that if you want to, you can try both of them out and double the amount that you'll be making doing this. And although they won't be enough to replace your 9 to 5, they should allow you a few extra coffee runs in a week. This is Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. And if you're on YouTube looking for extra ways to make money, either passively or through some actual work, online or offline, well, then you've come to the right place, because that's what we talk about on this channel day in and day out. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below to become a part of our growing community. And with that said, let's go make some money. The first app in question is called Cash Magnet, and it says on their website, cashmagnetapp.com, that you don't need to perform any tasks, you don't need to watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. You simply install and earn anywhere between a dime to $5 every single day. I know that may sound a little dubious, so I investigated a little bit further, and this is how it works. Cash Magnet is a 100% free app that browses sites and installs games on your phone. They do have a privacy policy which ensures that they install only trusted games and visit only safe sites. The only purpose of the app is to view advertising, click on banners, install games, and by doing so, Cash Magnet earns money from sponsors and then shares it with its users. To start earning, you'll need to launch the application and press the Start Earning button. And if you need to use your phone, then you can simply stop the program and then switch it on again when the phone is no longer needed. Ideally, single users can use the app during the nighttime when they sleep. And the accumulation of points takes place every 5 minutes, so that the longer the program works on your phone, the more money you will receive. Because it does download stuff on your phone, I suggest that if you have an extra phone just lying around at home, then you can use that one instead. The app works best during your phone's downtime anyway, and this is just a great way to maximize profit without doing anything at all. For now, Cash Magnet is available on Android devices, so if you're using an Android phone, then you can actually go ahead and download it as we're going through this video so that you can start earning already. Every time you unlock your phone, swipe on your screen, or tap on it, you can expect to be making some money too. Again, the earning potential is not all that big, but cash is cash, and getting it for free just isn't something that you see every day. And if you don't think that you use your phone all that much, I did my research and found that we probably use our phone much more than we think we do. In fact, according to a study conducted by Dscout, people tap, swipe, and click on their phones an average of 2,617 times per day. Included in that statistic is that iPhone users unlock their phones for an average of 80 times a day, while Android users do so at an average of 110 times a day. So whether you fall within the average, a little under, or a little over it, you're already unlocking your phone anyway, so you might as well get paid for it, right? Finally, Cash Magnet has a payout threshold between $2 to $5, and payout methods include PayPal or direct bank transfers. For those of you who use Apple, iOS, thanks for sticking around. And as your prize, this second app that we'll be talking about will work on both iOS and Android devices. It's called MooCash, and similar to Cash Magnet, you can turn swipes and clicks into cash and earn up to $5 each day. There are other things that you can do with MooCash to make money, but since we're talking about just doing this passively without any actual work or effort involved, let's just focus on making money through swiping and clicking. All of the tasks on this platform are designed to be completed on the go, and the app can be used in many different countries. Okay, so MooCash pays you for almost every action that you take on their site. If you swipe left to look at ads in your unlock screen, you get coins, which is what the Moo currency is called. You can also expect to see banner ads that will launch your App Store or Play Store for you and automatically install free apps and games. You might also get banner ads that open pages with rich media such as videos, e-commerce promotions, food delivery offers, etc. And if you swipe left 20 times a day for 10 days while performing tasks on their platform, that should give you around $1. Again, the minimum payout is between $2 to $5 depending on where you are and what type of reward you choose. Options for payout would include cash via PayPal or bank transfer, free talk time, or even data recharge. And now that we have both ads covered, let me share a bonus tip with you. And that's to read the instructions before you start to ensure that the task fits both your schedule and your entertainment preferences. I want you to carefully follow all of the instructions for each task, and this will ensure that you get your rewards. You're usually credited with your rewards within 24 hours once you meet all of the requirements. So to recap, these are the simple steps you need to follow to make money from these two apps. First step, download. Second step, watch your favorite Netflix series or maybe wrap Christmas presents. Or if it's been a long day, then get ready and go to bed. Step 3 is to simply collect your earnings. My favorite thing about these apps is that it takes me away from my phone because when my phone isn't being used, it's making me money. And just the thought of it allows me to get away from my phone so I'm not glued to it 24/7. In that sense, it even helps boost my productivity and forces me to get off my butt and do more work. What about you guys? What do you like most about the apps that we talked about today? Please do share them with us in the comments section below. Or if you know of any cool money for nothing apps, then by all means, please don't be shy and leave us a comment. Tell us all about it. I really do read and appreciate all of your comments and suggestions. They really do keep this channel going. And if you're not yet a part of our growing community and have stuck around until this part of the video, then welcome. We're so thrilled to have you on board. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because we do post multiple times a week and I don't want you to miss out on a single one of our videos. Speaking of which, we have a ton of them and I'll be leaving links to some of the ones I think you'll enjoy the most in the description box or comment section, so please do check those out. Alrighty then, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you again very soon.